Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable tags on Instagram PC. We start by opening our Instagram account in the browser. Next, we enter the More option and then Settings. After that, we will click on Tags and Mentions. Next, we will be able to limit the tags or directly don't allow them. You also have the ability to configure label approval manually. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.